Hello, I'm Julie. I'm here today to make American Lamb Pozole with you. You've had pozole many times perhaps, but this is a brand new take on it. We're gonna start with some chilies. So we're gonna make our chili sauce. We've got a couple different types. We've got a guajillo and an ancho pasilla, and they both bring different flavors to the mix, and we're gonna get them both going and toasting in our hot pan. First thing is we're gonna take the stem off, and we're going to get rid of our seeds within. These seeds are real hot, and you don't want all of that heat in your pozole. Pop them in a hot pan, and we're gonna toast them. That's gonna bring out so much more flavor, and it actually brings out the oils. They're starting to change colors, and that's how we know that they're toasting nicely. They get a little char on them, that's wonderful. So let's get them into our blender. We're gonna use some boiling water to soften these up. Just pop it right in. And we're gonna add some garlic cloves, some cumin, salt of course, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar to give it some brightness. We're gonna let this sit here for 20 minutes, get nice and soft, we'll blitz it up, and then we'll have our chili sauce for our pozole. Okay, our chili sauce is all ready to go, and we can move on to our lamb. We have our American lamb stew meat here. I've got these chopped into 1 to 2 inch pieces, and we're gonna season generously with salt and pepper, of course. Nice hot Dutch oven, and add lots of olive oil. And we're gonna do this in 2 batches because we don't wanna overcrowd. What we're looking for is deep, deep mahogany color. This side is beautiful mahogany brown, that's how we want it. So we're gonna turn these all over, finish the next batch, and then we can continue on with this dish. Okay, we have some beautiful brown lamb here, and it's all set and ready. I'm gonna go in with my onions right now. We're just gonna let them sit in there undisturbed for a little bit. Okay, so we've got our onions working. They're getting nice and translucent. We have got a really nice assortment of spices here. We have Mexican oregano, smoked paprika, cumin, bay leaves, coriander, and a little bit of cinnamon, which is maybe a surprise, but it really adds a lot. So we're gonna go in with 4 cloves of chopped garlic, and let's toast our spices a little bit as well. Lamb's going back in. All of that beautiful chili sauce we made. And a couple cups of lamb stock. If you don't have that, beef stock will do just fine as well. Beautiful. What we're gonna do is braise this on the stovetop. Okay, I've got it up to a nice boil. Next thing we're gonna do, let's reduce it so it's gonna simmer. And we're gonna put the lid on, but not all the way. We're just gonna crack it a little bit so that we can let some of the steam come out, evaporate, and it'll concentrate the flavor of the stew. All right, we're gonna give it about 2 hours. Okay, we are about 2 hours in. The final thing that we're gonna add, which is ubiquitous in pozole, is hominy. We're gonna add this in. This is just a delicious ingredient that will complement the lamb beautifully. So we're gonna give that about 30 more minutes, and then we can serve it up. We've got beautiful toppings here. We've got queso fresco, avocado, cilantro of course, radishes. Okay, let's serve this up. The thing I love about a dish like this is it is better the next day and the next day. Decorate this gorgeous bowl of pozole and some cilantro, just tear some leaves. I also love to serve this on the table with a nice bowl of my favorite chips. All right, enjoy this American Lamb Pozole. Thank you so much. See you next time.